Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. I have to start out with a story on this one. When I was a little kid, and by little I mean I wasn't able to cross the street on my own yet, there was a woman in my town who did one thing in the summer only. She made Italian lemon ice, or Italian water ice. My whole family actually always compared the Italian ice that we would eat in other places to hers. It was just so delicious and refreshing. I've cracked the code. So here's what it is. She made what's called a granita. This is a lemon granita. Here's how you make it. I have 1 2/3 cup of water in here, which is just about to come to a boil. And I'm going with 1 cup of sugar. Just pour that in. And all that you need to do is just stir this so that it dissolves. You don't even have to make it come to a boil. The other ingredients I have, here is 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. This came from 2 large lemons. I'm calling them large. They're the size of a tennis ball. That goes into this warm liquid. Oils will come out of here and make this really delicious. I'm going to pour this over 1 cup of ice. So that was 1 2/3 cup of water, which is 400 milliliters, going over 1 cup or 250 milliliters of ice. And just let that melt. I have 1 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1 cup of lemon juice goes right in. I have a pan which has been in the freezer, so it's nice and chilled. This goes in. I knew I had a seed in there. This is going into the freezer again. I'm going to leave it there for about 45 minutes, then take it out and take this little fork and move all the ice crystals around. I'll show you how to do that. You'll need to do that about 4 times, and then you will have this fabulous, delicious, icy snow. It's beautiful. I'll be right back. This has just come out after 45 minutes, and here's what we have. The ice crystals are just starting to form in here. And all that you do is you go along and you scrape everything. After 45 minutes, you can see how slushy this is, and you just go around and you rake your fork through it. And now I'm going to put this in for 30 minutes, and I'll do this at 30-minute intervals. If you see any large crystals like this, you press them out, because in the end, you want this to be like snow. But one thing I forgot to mention is that if you make a dessert that's going to be served frozen, just remember that your taste buds when you eat a frozen product are dulled by the freezing cold. So what you want to do before you put this in the freezer for the first time, taste it, and it should be super sweet, more than you even like. By the time it's frozen and fluffed up, it's perfect. This is the last raking, if you will. So this is number 4. As you keep going on this, it gets fluffier and lighter. This is like snow. It's just beautiful. This texture is nothing like sorbet. It's nothing like shaved ice. It's its own thing, and it's just so beautiful. You really can't even scoop it. You can store this in an airtight container, keep it in your freezer. If it packs down, you just fluff it up again. It's so refreshing and thirst quenching. It's a great way to get kids into the kitchen, and all you have to know how to do is boil water and squeeze some lemons. You gotta try this. Thank you, lady, whoever you are that used to make this and introduced everyone to it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.